Hope you're having a great day, a great morning, a great night, whatever it may be for you. Behind me is a 65 Ford Fairlane. This car has been really tastefully done. It's got some hot parts under the hood. It's a factory V8 car. Tune in as we give you the grand tour, and we're gonna go for a drive. Also, check the link in the description for the full listing with 100+ pictures on our site. More information on that at the end. Kicking things off at the front end like we do. I gotta say, this is a really handsome car. It's got a tough look to it, like that. It's kind of got a slant back grille. Speaking of the grille, it's in great shape. Nice and bright, no dents, no dings. Chrome looks like it's been refinished. This bumper's really nice and straight. Newer headlamps in here, shining bright. Ford script across the hood, and the hood release. Let's check this out. Woo! So this is a factory V8 car. It's now been upgraded a little bit. We've got an Edelbrock top end kit, which gave this thing new cams, some new valve train components, new aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake, and a nice 4-barrel carb. This thing is kind of business nowadays. It sounds great. We're gonna let you hear that in a few. I love the factory air cleaner on here with the 289 hypo sticker. The chrome fin valve covers look sweet. Nice radiator, newer looking hoses and clamps. I'm digging this thing. And we do have the original VIN stamping on the fender apron here, and T lets us know this was a factory V8 car. Underside of the hood looks good. We got our heat and sound insulation mat doing its thing. Got a little bag for our wiper fluid. Really straight car, good gaps. I like how the hood sits nice and flush down into the fender. These fender extensions look great. The body side molding looks really sharp. We've got a disc brake conversion on all 4 corners. Those are actually Mustang calipers adapted onto this Fairlane. And we've got a new set of wheels with brand new Falcon tires on them. And that's a 205/60 R15 up front. And as you keep going down the car, see more of this body side molding. It's got 2 rows of it, one up top and one down below. Now we're talking about 3 rows of trim. And look at the stainless work around these windows. Really sharp. Big back glass looks nice. The seal looks to be newer back here. Window pane's in great shape. Fairlane 500 badging looks really sharp. Love the tail panel with 3 more rows of trim. How about that? These taillights with a bit of a crosshair in them is a sharp look. Chrome bumper, again, looks to be refinished, while something like this pop cast here is probably original, as there's a little bit of oxidation, but it shows very well. See if we can get this trunk open. Smooth action there. Really clean, nice dry lip under here. Big trunk. You can fit your lawn chairs and then some in here. Got a full-size spare with the jack and the lug wrench and the little foot and everything. And we've got a shop manual, a wiring diagram, and a whole bunch of receipts for this car, and some of the operating manuals for all these new parts. A lot of the work was done between 2017 and 2024. Lots of good stuff in there, from hoses, bushings, upgraded sway bar, upgraded brakes, the whole Edelbrock top end kit. I saw a receipt for a transmission rebuild. All in all, I think we got about 20 grand worth of paper from the last few years. Pretty good. Also, what's not sitting in here right now that the car does come with is a matching spare, so you're always riding in style, just over there. Coming down the passenger side, it's super straight. I don't see any bubbling, I don't see any cracking. This car's not full of dough. You got door edge moldings, sharp looking handles, drip rails look great. Top of the windshield frame looks awesome. Definitely an older paint job, but it looks sweet. You know, there's a couple small stone chips we've seen. Nothing ugly, no rust peering through, no cracking, even coverage all over the place. Doors come right open real easy. We got a original door tag in here. Door cards, I'm reckon, are original. There's just a little bit of wear on my armrest over here. Gotta be original wheel. You see a little bit of the green has been worn off of it, but it's not cracked up. This car was probably stored correctly is what I gotta go with here. Factory set of instruments. Speedo runs up to 120 miles per hour. Because this car didn't come with a bunch of crazy gauges from the factory, they've added them downstairs. We got a coolant temp, oil pressure, and a voltmeter. And over here on the left-hand side, we've got a nice little tack. Dash pad is steel and in good shape. We've got controls over here for a heater, a cigarette lighter, a little ashtray, and a nice glove box with an original owner's manual in here. Pretty cool. Beautiful bench. Looks to be recovered. It's in such good shape. Rear cards look wonderful. Little ashtrays for the whole crew. Rear crank down windows. Headliner. There's a little bit of sag, but not bad at all. Package tray looks good. The molding around looks nice. Working dome lamp. and a couple of visors and a newer looking mirror. We're off to the races in this puppy. Feels very tight. She's smooth. Steering input's actually pretty darn sharp. These disc brakes are doing their thing. Turn indicator cancels on its own. Now this car, you can tell it makes a good note, but not waking the neighbors, not overly aggressive, and it's got a new system from front to back. That's all in aluminized steel pipe. Speedo's working. All our gauges downstairs are working. Coolant's just shy of 190. Oil pressure's at 50 pounds. Amp meter's charging just shy of 14 volts. Cool. Tack over here is working also. This transmission, I know we got paper showing it was rebuilt. I'm convinced it was. It's shifting really smooth. When we come out of this turn, we got a bit of straight road. We'll see how quick we can get this thing up to 50 miles an hour. Now I do know we've got an upgraded sway bar up front. Looks nice and thick and beefy, and on one of these turns we ought to be able to test that out, see what she's really doing. But at run around town speeds, it feels really great, and I'm sure these radial tires on a 15 is the way to go. Very good. All right, here's that turn we've been waiting for. Oh yeah. Could definitely not do that stock at that speed. Yeah, I appreciate you guys made it to the end. This is a really fun cruiser for somebody. Great bit of power, really sharp styling, and choice upgrades like the disc brakes. Very cool. If you want to know more about it, you can drop us a line at any time. The number is 248-714-2110. You can also email us. That's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Thank you guys for checking this out today. If you enjoyed, like the video. If you want to be in tune with our latest arrivals, definitely hit that red subscribe button. It's free to do, and that will put our videos in front of you so you can check out our latest inventory before it generally even hits our website. So while you're down there, click, and don't forget, we put the price as well as a link down in the description of this here YouTube video. And also, that link will bring you to the full listing on our site with 100+ pictures, high, low, up underneath it, all the way around it, close-ups of some of those receipts, all that fun stuff. Thank you guys for checking this out. We'll see you next time.